In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loved one into a family photo in Photoshop. We'll be combining two images in a simple and believable way, so the final result feels natural and emotionally meaningful. The key to this process is making a clean selection, placing the new person in the correct layer order, and then adjusting the position so they blend into the group convincingly. Start by opening both photos in Photoshop. You'll want the main family photo open first, along with the second image that contains the person you want to add. Having both files ready from the beginning makes the workflow much smoother and helps you move quickly between images. Now go to the first image and choose the Quick Selection tool. For this example, we want the loved one to appear at the back center of the group, so the next step is to carefully select the three people in the center of the first photo. Take your time here and paint over the areas slowly until the selection looks clean and accurate. This part matters because these people will need to sit in front of the added person, and a rough selection can make the final composite look unrealistic. If the edges don't look perfect, especially around the hair or softer details, click Select and Mask. From there, use Refine Edge to smooth out those tricky areas and create a more natural cutout. Even a small amount of cleanup can make a big difference in how realistic the final image feels. Once you're happy with the selection, press Ctrl and J to copy it onto a new layer. This creates a separate foreground group that you can place in front of the person you're adding. Next, switch over to the second image. Using the Quick Selection tool again, select the person you want to bring into the family photo. Just like before, refine the edges if needed, so the cutout looks clean. Then click the Add Layer Mask button to remove the background neatly without permanently deleting anything. After that, select the Move tool and drag the cutout up to the tab of the first image. Wait a moment for that document to open, then drop the person into place. In the Layers panel, move this new layer beneath the copied group layer. This is what makes it look like the loved one is naturally standing behind the people in the center. Finally, resize and reposition the added person until the proportions and placement look realistic. Take a moment to fine-tune the composition so everything feels balanced. With just these final adjustments, you've successfully added a loved one into the photo and created a seamless, heartwarming family memory.